Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the integer and string, what is float value, what is boolean, how we can implement if else condition in Python. This is the only basic video, and so let's go to the video and see how we can implement those things. So first of all, I have to identify integer. How we can identify the integer in Python? So we have to declare a variable as name as a, and I declare 5. So this is now integer. This is an integer variable. So it is int. So next I have to implement string value. So I have to type string here. So this is string. So I have to implement some float values. So how I can implement float value? I have to type the float value with the decimal point. So this is float. I have to implement boolean value. I can implement boolean value to this one. So this is D is now variable is boolean. So how we can implement if else statement? If I give the condition, my condition is A is equal to B. If it is correct, print correct. If it is not correct, else it's gonna be give us print wrong. So what will be the output in this code? Let's see. The output in this code is wrong because A is not equal to B. Because A is 5, B is some kind. Because there are two different data types. A is integer and B is string. So two different data type also can be, we can match. We can check it is equal or not. If it is not necessary to have two data type with the same data type with two values. So this is one of good feature in Python. So what happens if I choose this one as 5? Let's see. Again, it will call wrong because this is string and this is integer. Okay. So this is the if. What happens if I misplace and print like this? It will show some errors. We have to type correct indentational with coding. So in the Python, compile code as a line by line. It will compile this line and let's come to this line likewise. So that's all for this video. Today video we are learn integer, what is string and what is float, and what is boolean, and how we can implement the if else statement. So see you guys in the next video.